A day in my life as a first year college student at Ateneo. Ateneo Student Ambassador Edition. Let's go! Hi guys, I'm Jubal Bugtong and right now we're going to Calabanga National High School to introduce Ateneo Dinaga University. Whew, ang init! Tara! On the way na kami to Calabanga. I'm with Ma'am Dims.
Hey!
Ma'am AZ.
Hello, vlog.
Sir Ian.
Sin City was a maybe.
My co-ambassador.
Hi guys!
Nandito na tayo sa Calabanga National Science High School and this is my first time actually na magka-campaign. Kaya I have to vlog this talaga. Tara, ang dami mga students na nandito. Actually, kinakabahan ako. Mga ganitong kaba lang. Nandito rin pala yung mga other schools. Alright, good luck to us. Let's go.
Let us welcome Ateneo's Campus Heartthrob B2.
Ang galing mo naman, B2. Sino dito yung nagiging mag-chismis palagi? Daming guilty ah. Baka media studies yung para sa inyo. Yung media studies namin is in partnership with Rappler. By the way, etong information systems na maka-underrated din itong combination siya or high-fusion mismo ng IT and business. Might as well consider this information system kung may itong sa tech tapos business. Then yung flagship course namin, Digital Illustration and Animation. Sa Ateneo lang yan, makikita. Ateneo yung my first school na meron ganyan mismo. Kakatapos lang natin mag-campaign, magsalita, and medyo kabado talaga ako. Medyo rushed pa kasi exceeded na namin yung time limit na dapat 20 minutes lang. Anong school lang napili ninyo?
Pwede pong Ateneo. Siyempre, Ateneo.
Yan! Ayos ka po.
O sige, Ateneo.
Talaga scripted talaga, Ateneo.
Ateneo tayo.
Yan,
May mga
Ateneo.
pogi!
Yan sinasabi. Yan natin na yan! Thank you so much! Ang sarap guys, kasi libre. Paano? Tapos nahulog puno.